Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 23rd of July. So just before we begin, if we could start as we always do with our risk warning, of course, please do take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently up on screen. Okay, so let's get straight in then and we'll discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. And a primed candidate is very much the gold market. It's easy to see really why there's been this move in the gold market. And if I just zoom out and we're just looking at this market really from a technical perspective. If I zoom out, you can see we've been in a little bit of a consolidated period during the month of September in 2018. Then we get a strong explosive move, and we're firmly contained within this trend pushing prices higher. Now, if I zoom in, we're at the top end of this little bit of trend, and we've had a lot of consolidation. We've had over the last 3 or 4 trading days, we've had another explosive move to the upside. But you can see that the top band of our trend lines providing some resistance. So we've had this market sell off on Friday, and now yesterday we've had a little bit of consolidation. So the whole trade idea is has a little bit of fundamental and sentiment behind it, with a lot of the turmoil on a global basis, whether we're talking about global trade talks, the tensions in Iran, or difficulties between Europe and the US. All of these things lend itself, the decisions that have been made by the central banks to start decreasing rates. All of these things are likely to add to the fundamental and the sentiment behind prices pushing to the upside in the gold market. So we're just anticipating continuation here. And what we saw on Friday is a pullback to a significant level. It's a strong level of support. And we do like trading support and resistance. And we've seen the little bit of consolidation kick in yesterday. So what we do is we're now looking for this market to turn around above the 1430.42 level. And that could give us a nice little push. Certainly first point up to 1439 and potentially beyond that. So that is the trade that we are looking at over the course of the day. So do bear in mind and keep that in mind as well. So that just about concludes this Daily Trade Watch video. Do feel free to connect with us through our social media channels currently up on screen. And if you are genuinely interested in learning how to trade the financial markets, you want to have a better understanding about technical analysis and how to capitalize on moves like these, then please do feel free to go back to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com, and you'll be able to access a variety of different membership options there. And do feel free to join up and sign up and join us, because you can do so for as little as $19.99 per calendar month. So worth looking at. We trade the markets live every day with live capital, with full transparency, with live professional traders. So hopefully you find it a very useful experience for you. So thank you very much for joining us as always. Do take care. We look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here at the Live Trade Room, take care and speak soon. Bye for now.